Have you guys ever been in a store or online and see something and you know that you can make it for a lot less? Well, that's exactly what this video is about. Hi everyone, I'm Maria.
Hi, I'm Ellen, and we have a couple of really easy look for less crafts to show you today, or copycat crafts as we call them.
So our first craft is inspired from Michael's. It was originally $18.99. When I saw it online, it was for $11.39 and thought I could make it for even lower than that. So let's get started. You get 4 planks from the Dollar Tree.
And then you also get 4 pumpkins and craft sticks to use as well.
These letters I got from JoAnn's. Always use a coupon when you guys go to JoAnn's, Michael's, or Hobby Lobby. They were on sale anyways, and I had a coupon, so it was a really good deal.
And then you'll use the joint compound to fill in the holes in the pumpkins, and then also for the grooves in the planks.
So you could go ahead and glue all 4 pieces together, so it comes out being a very long strip, and that will be your base.
Now you're going to use the joint compound to fill in the holes in the pumpkins, just like this. And then also to fill in the grooves on the planks. The ones that join them together, and then also all along the edges.
So what you're doing with this is you're making it look like one long piece for the base. Then what you want to do is you want to get some craft sticks. Trace out after you cut your initial point for your fence. Use scissors, a lot easier, and then just glue 2 of them together to give it more of a solid base. Stable, solid, same thing.
Yeah. It creates a thicker picket.
Yay, there you go. I like that.
And then you just glue them together and then trim to create the picket point. I'm not even sure if that's a term, but it is now.
It is, just like copycat crafts.
Yes, yes, exactly. You're going to use the craft sticks along horizontally to create the boards that go along the base of the fence, and then trim off the edges. And once those are put together, you'll glue them to your pickets to create the horizontal board.
Then what you want to do is get the joint compound out again and fill in all the parts that come together to give it that one piece look. So just sand it down before you start painting.
Now it's time to paint, and you're going to use the green to paint the base.
And once that's done, move on to the fence. If you have white spray paint, that would probably be a lot faster, but none was found here. So
use what you have, right?
Exactly.
Now the fence and the base are all done, and you're going to go ahead and move on to your pumpkins. They're all dried and ready to paint.
Now the pumpkin paint was a little bit too dark. Just add a little bit of white to it, lightens it up.
Now as your pumpkins are drying, you're going to go ahead and take your antique parchment, which is the color that was used here, and going to go ahead and paint all the letters.
With the 10-inch craft stick, you paint that red, go onto your word pad and print out the word happy in any font you want. We used Great Vibes for this one, which I thought was very similar to the one from Michael's.
Okay, now you're going to take your pumpkins and you'll take your pencil as well and create the lines of the pumpkins with the pencil, and then you can follow it up with paint.
Hey, if you guys are liking this video so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and shows YouTube to share it with other people. A little fun fact if you guys didn't know that.
And then you can also share with your friends and family. We really appreciate it.
Next, what you're going to want to do is get some carbon paper and transfer the happy onto the stick. Now initially, a white marker was used on this, but it wasn't as bright as we wanted it to look. So we just went over it with white paint.
And then what you're going to do is get the burnt umber and just do a dry brush to create that antique look on the fence, or distressed. And glue down all of your letters on your pumpkins.
So now that everything is put together and painted, you start to assemble it with glue. Very cute.
Oh, it looks great.
This vine was purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I saw it and I thought, oh wow, that would fit perfectly.
What's nice with the wire in there is that you can easily wrap it around all the pickets.
Exactly. And there you have your Michael inspired tabletop fall decor.
Oh, it looks awesome.
And it only cost us $5. Sure beats $11.39 or $18.99. So our next craft was inspired by the Pottery Barn. And $119, I don't think so. But when you get a frame, make sure it comes with a mat. So if it's not black, you can easily spray paint it black. You just go onto your word pad, print it all out, get a clip art of a cup, and put it all together. And it was printed out on cardstock.
And then you're going to go ahead and paint your frame if you didn't already purchase one that was black, and we used black chalk paint. Now it's time to paint the cup and give it a little bit of detail by adding some darker colors to it.
Doesn't that look like an eye up there?
It does. It's before you mixed your black and your white, huh?
Right. So when it comes to the part of doing the cream, just put a little dab of black to the white so it offsets the white a little bit. Makes it look more creamier. This was very simple. A very simple craft.
And so why don't you guys just let us know which one you like best? I'm a little partial to the fall tabletop. Happy fall.
And I like the pumpkin spice.
Yeah, so just comment down below and let us know.
And there you have it.
Wow, it looks so good.
$5 to make this. You guys can't beat that. Great addition to anyone's fall decor. Thanks so much for stopping by, you guys.
Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.